Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to record incoming calls on Samsung Galaxy S10, Android 10. As you can see, the phone model I use is Samsung Galaxy S10. The Android version is 10. Answer the phone call. Open Call Recorder. Tap Record a Call button and it will dial the service number. Tap Merge to start recording. Now your call is being recorded. After the call, you can see all the recording files in the recording list. Tap to play. You can scan the QR code on my screen to have the call recorder app on your phone. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any recording problems, please write down in a comment. Also, if you like my video, welcome to like, comment, and share it.